Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today I want to tell you 5 best things to do during spring in Beijing. First up, we have the Universal Studio. During this day, it was kind of gloomy, so I went with my sister and my friends. Average waiting line during spring is usually 45 minutes, but if you're lucky, you could wait only for 10 minutes. Average ticket is usually 350 yuan, but if it's really packed, it could be 400 to 500 yuan. Beijing Universal Studios specializes in Kung Fu Panda theme world and Train Your Dragon performances. It is definitely a must-watch. They have a unique storyline and the animatronics are amazing. Lastly, don't forget to check out the Harry Potter light show at 7 o'clock. Secondly, we have the Yuan Tan Garden. Ticket starts at 5 yuan and you can buy them by WeChat. This garden specializes on cherry blossom and you can see varieties of cherry blossom right in this garden. This garden is especially beautiful during early and mid-April. A little tip for the viewer, usually during the holidays or the weekends is usually packed, so I suggest coming during the weekdays.
So, tempting dessert and bagels. And I want to check out like the cute goods because they have a lot of like sakura cherry blossoms goods.
Don't forget to check out their limited edition cherry blossom souvenirs because I bought a really cute bag and it was totally worth it. Yuan Tan Garden is definitely a must-go during cherry blossom season. You can see the Sky City building and a huge lake in the middle of it.
Where's the tower? Over there. These are cherry blossom. Like the flowers are way bigger than normal. Like it's huge and it's really pink. So pretty.
Third on the list, we have Spring Train Ride and Great Wall of China. I came here with my Korean friend and we went with a tour guide for foreigners. Usually Great Wall of China took around 2 hours by bus, so we went with a tour guide and we paid 230 yuan per person front and back. The Great Wall of China is especially beautiful during cherry blossom season because you can catch a glimpse of the spring train ride going through Cherry Blossom Sea.
How steep these stairs are. Oh my god, early. Oh, I can't do this.
In Beijing, there's actually a lot of Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China we went is called Yong, and it could actually be a little bit hard for a beginner because the stairs are really steep. I took quite a while to go up, and I took 2 hours to go up to the Great Wall of China, even though I didn't even touch the tip of it.
I really climbed up. Oh my god, it was so tiring. I'm not going up anymore. I'm so tired.
Even though climbing up took a lot of effort, the view was totally worth it. Definitely do not underestimate the Great Wall of China. Fourth on the list, we have strawberry picking. Surprisingly, in Beijing, there's actually a lot of strawberry farms, and I chose a strawberry farm near my school, which took around 45 minutes by bus. Strawberry picking in China is a little bit different from Japan because you cannot eat it as you go.
So cute strawberries.
The rule is you can pick as much as you want, weigh them, pay them first before eating them. Surprisingly, the farm I went, there was literally no people, so I could pick as much as I want, and the strawberries in China are huge and big and really red.
I'm just enjoying the farm because I love strawberries, and this is a freaking heaven. Like they're like so huge, and like it's freaking beautiful. Like, can you see how big these are? Like, they're so big. Like, let me just take one. It's like they're big as my like face. Like, oh my god! And it's like really big and really juicy. I haven't eaten it yet, but I'm gonna try it soon. But it's so big. Oh my god! Look at how much I got already. And there's also a bunch of bees here as well, so you need to be careful because you're working for the strawberries. So.
If you're lucky to find a really good strawberry farm, they would actually have a white strawberry varieties, and the auntie led us to it. This is actually my first time seeing and eating the white varieties of strawberry.
These are already like finished, well done. Because apparently, if it's ready, it's like a bit pink. The seeds are all red. So I think these are done because I can't really tell the difference. They all look the same to me, but they're really cute. Like they're really pink, and I don't know how to say it. They're so different, and the taste is like a bit milky as well. 是我的盒子。
Mine weighs around 1 kilogram and it cost me 54 yuan. Picking strawberries during spring is definitely worth it. Lastly, we have the Beijing Botanical Garden. During the end of April, tulips are all blooming, so I would say this botanical garden displays the most out of it. Beijing Botanical Garden itself is magical throughout 4 seasons, but I would say spring is the most magical out of all. They have a whole section dedicated to only tulips. I came here with my friend during a weekend and it was really packed, and it was also a gloomy day. But nevertheless, the tulips were amazing and beautiful. Tip for the viewer: if you're going to visit any public places, do please avoid the weekends. People next to me were literally complaining that the humans itself were way more than the tulips. But for the Chinese people, weekends are the only day off for their families, so I would understand if they're coming with their whole family to see the tulips. Looking at this much tulip is a dream come true because I would never be able to see tulips in Bali. Well, there you have it, 5 best things to do in Beijing during spring. I hope you like all the things I compiled during this video, and if you have any questions, you can follow me and DM me in Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.